Welcome back, everybody. Good morning and Happy New Year's. Happy 2022. Alright, so this video is about, you could say, it's a cross combination of IPM with supplemental foliar feeding. So it's going to be the Grokashi cross or mix with the excuse me, with the Kashi blend from Built Soil, going organic, and 3 different type of molasses from Earth Juice, and then from Rootz Organics. So it's been fermenting and brewing for over 48 hours, and it has a lot of sediment in the bottom. So we're gonna mix it up right now, and then we're gonna strain it. Stir it up real good. We're gonna do 1/4 of it, so we can, and then the rest we're gonna foliar spray it in. Oh, crap. I dropped some. It's all good. I have my good old spongy to absorb it and nothing goes to waste. Or should I do half of it? No, that should be good as far as foliar spraying. There's about a gallon in here, and the rest we're gonna water it in. Man, we're gonna put that on the topsoil, so it's not gonna go to waste neither. I just strained it so it won't get clogged up, you know what I mean? Alright, everyone, so that's it for that. So we're gonna foliar spray it. Okay, to be specific, I'm gonna foliar spray it after I top everything. So as far as my canopy, I'm not gonna bend anything anymore. I just decided that I want to top the ones that are the highest, so then everything could catch up. And I'm gonna set up my second trellis and, you know, go from there. But let's continue. So, all right, my peeps, peace, love, and health. All right, laters.